Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics by Avantika. My name is Avantika Nantani. In this video, I will teach you how to prove root 5 as irrational. So we have to prove that root 5 is irrational. So we prove any irrational number as a rational number by the method of contradiction. So we use contradiction method to prove this. So what we do, we will assume that the number is rational. Okay, then contradiction will occur and we will say that this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption. So this is irrational number. Okay, so in proof we write, first of all, let us assume to the contrary that root 5 is rational. Okay, we will assume that root 5 is rational number. So any rational number can be written in the form of P upon Q. So we can write root 5 as A upon B, where A and B are co-prime, that is HCF is equals to 1. Where A and B are co-prime, that is HCF is equals to 1. It means that A and B are co-prime means they do not have any common factor other than 1. A और B का 1 के अलावा कोई भी common factor नहीं होगा. But when we will forward this proof, we will see that we will get any other common factor other than 1. हमें A और B का 1 के अलावा common factor मिल जाएगा. So ये contradiction create करेगा. ठीक है? So we have A and B as co-prime, that is HCF is equals to 1. So we will cross multiply this B here. We get root 5B is equals to A. Now squaring both the sides, we get 5B square is equals to A square. Okay. Now we can say that 5B square is equals to A square. 5B square जो है वो A square के equal है. तो we can clearly see that 5B square is divisible by 5B square 5 से divisible है. So we can say that A square is also divisible by 5. So we know the theorem that if A square is divisible by 5, we know the theorem that if P is a prime number, A square is divisible by that prime number P. So A is also divisible by P. So we can say that A is also divisible by 5. If A is divisible by 5, अगर 5 A को divide कर रहा है तो हम A को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं A is equals to 5 into C, where C is any integer, जहाँ पे C कोई integer है, where C is any integer. Okay. So now from here we will put the value of A is equals to 5C in this equation. This is first equation. We will put the value of A is equals to 5C. So we get 5B square is equals to 25C square. On simplifying this, we get B square is equals to 5C square. So from here we get that B square is divisible by 5. B square 5 से divisible है. Okay. From the theorem we can say that if B square is divisible by 5, then B is also divisible by 5. ठीक है? We get that A is also divisible by 5 and B is also divisible by 5. From both these facts we can say that we get 5 as a common factor of A and B. A और B के हमें एक और common factor मिल गया 5. other than 1. So we get 5 as a common factor of A and B other than 1. So this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption. So we can see that what we have assumed that root 5 is rational, it is not correct, it is incorrect. So root 5 is a irrational number. Thank you and have a nice day.